Hey everyone, this is Dave here with MarineMax Grand Lake. Today I'm going to give you a walkthrough of this brand new 2026 Sea Ray SDX 270. This is a stern drive powered by a 6.2 Bravo 3 Merc Cruiser, making about 350 horsepower. Starting off back here, you've got your swim platform with sea deck, and this boat is lined with sea deck all throughout. You have got your sun pad back here, some storage in this walkway, and then making our way in the cockpit here, you've got your L-shaped seating here, the passenger seat that can be forward or rear facing, and then the same goes for the captain's chair. And then you have got your dual SIM-RAD screens up here, and this boat does have a Fusion audio system throughout. You have your head here with a sink. Then up at the bow, you've got your wraparound seating, plenty of storage underneath. So if you like this boat or anything else you see in our online inventory, feel free to stop by Grand Lake MarineMax today or give us a call. Thanks.